Hello everyone, today I received my first package from the Delhi watch company and I'm really very excited to unbox it. So my name is Aditya and I am more of a watch enthusiast and love to learn about watches. I have a decent collection and wanted to explore the Indian watches. So I discovered this brand of DWC recently and was very impressed with the watches and the price points. So today we got the Villianur Salmon Dial watch. It comes in this nice leather pouch which feels pretty nice. I like the fact that there is no box but a pouch to keep the watch. As you can see at the onset, the dial is an absolute winner. The magical shift in the colors of the dial will make people around you take a closer look at the watch for sure. The case diameter is 41mm with silver iron plated stainless steel paired with a beautiful leather strap. It has basic Japanese quartz movement and you can clearly hear the smooth tick tick sound in a less noisy space. Having used a decent number of international as well as Indian made watches, I truly believe that this is a very well made watch and a lot of thought has gone into it. And I'm sure that it will be a very wonderful addition to your collection. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to let me know and I will be happy to know your thoughts on this, and let me know if you also own a DWC, so please share your experience also. So this is me signing off for this video. I am hoping to get some new watches which I'll review in the future. So till the next time, goodbye.